In this video, I'll be showing you how you could fix your mic in Mage Arena. So the first thing you want to do, you can only access settings if you're in the game. So, um, just create a private lobby. Start the game. Okay, so once you're in here, press escape and go to settings. In here, you could put push to talk on if you want to, but one thing you want to do right here, make sure you reset everything to default, because maybe this will probably fix your mic. It worked for me one time. Or you can go here and press reset voice detection. In case your mic is like broken a little bit, you can just press reset voice detection. Okay, once you're done that, if it still doesn't work, go to your Windows settings, go to sound, and here you're gonna need to pick the device that your computer is using as your mic. So as you can see here, I only have one device. You could pair a new device. If that doesn't work, go to more sound settings, recording, and here is going to be all your microphones. Make sure you only have one microphone enabled, and that microphone is the one that you are using. Also make sure the input level is 100%. If it's 0, the game will not detect your microphone. And let me know if you have more issues. I'll try helping you. But yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.